Hey, in this video I'll show you how to get even more plugins and make your Discord more advanced and exciting. Now we'll use Equicord, a Discord modification based on Vencord but contains a way more plugins, over 300. Alright, firstly go to an official Equicord website and download the latest version for your platform. I have to say, it's open source project. You can check GitHub page so no one can steal your account and data. Then run the installer. Choose the Discord path if it's installed in some custom location. I don't change anything. And click install. You have to wait a bit, and your Discord will close. Open it again, and now you can use Equicord. Okay, go to the user settings in the left bottom side. You can see there is one more section here. It's Equicord settings. The same as Vencord, it has plugins and themes. You can save your settings to the cloud. Alright, let's start with plugins. There are over 300 plugins and this number is increasing. There are probably a lot more when you watch this video. And as I said before, it also contains all official Vencord plugins. For example, I enabled Always Animate plugin. And it works for me, all avatars and banners are playing. This plugin is not for junk devices like mine. Now I'm going to show you some useful and fun plugins of Equicord. Use the search bar to quickly find the plugin you need. AtSomeone. With this plugin you can mention a random person from the current server. How to use it? Just enable the plugin, restart the client, and enter in any server AtSomeone. There is no autofill, so you need to enter the command in full. The BlockKeywords plugin is designed to avoid messages contain wrong words. Enable the plugin and open the settings. Enter any keywords comma separated. I just use this one to show how it works. I think it's better not to use case sensitive. And if you enable the last setting you won't even see the bad message. I don't use it. Alright, let's try to send a message with this word. And as you can see the plugin hides the message. You can see that if you want. And another plugin, KeywordNotify. Go to the plugin settings and add keywords. You'll get notification if someone send a message contains these words. And also this message is highlighted. Very convenient if you don't want to miss something important. The next plugin is ChannelTabs. Enable the plugin and restart Discord. And now you have tabs like in the browser. You can open different channels here, and also use the common hotkeys to fast navigate. ClickableRoles. With this one you can click on the role of some member and see how many people have the same role on this server. And a funny plugin is Quoter. Right-click on some message and select Quote. It generates an image with the user avatar and the current message. You can make it colorful or grayscale, send it as PNG or GIF, and add some watermark. The next fun plugin is animalese. It plays sounds from Animal Crossing when someone send message in chat or channel. Not necessary at all but not bad if you want to change the default message sound. PolishWording makes your messages nice and improves grammar. Open the settings and choose what to fix like apostrophes, expand contractions, capitalization, and punctuation. So if I send any message, this plugin will change it to be grammatically correct. Okay, next plugin is ZipPreview. It's a useful thing that shows all files inside zip attachments. So you'll know about that archive before downloading. VoiceStats shows how many times you've spent with some user in voice chats. To get it, open the needed profile. UnreadCountBadge. This plugin shows unread messages count next to the channel name. And also there are a lot of plugins you can try. Leave a comment if you want more videos about these plugins. About themes, it's the same like in Vencord. You can just find some on better Discord website and choose the needed one. Then copy download link for Vencord, or for online installer. If you don't see any link for this, open GitHub page and copy this from imports, and paste it to Equicord themes, in the online themes. Then you can just enable this theme. Alright, and the last thing I want to show is cloud integration. You can save all your settings like enabled plugins, settings, themes, to the cloud. You can import it to other device, just enable cloud integrations. And then enable settings sync. I click sync to cloud, and after this I can import it to other device, or use it when Discord update and you need to reinstall Equicord. Okay, in this video I showed you how to install and use Equicord. Thanks for watching.